Alright, you dey see am for there wey you go sit down so. See you. Now firstly, I will, as I said earlier, I will create the scouting plan and as well create the planning plan and everything that we need to create. Now based on what I said, and I said earlier that at least create something from your brain first, and after that you can give it to ChatGPT to help you to what, to edit grammatical error that is there. Okay, okay. Now this scouting plan I want to scout now, that I want to create now, for example I want to reach out to store owners that are in what, that are in Australia. Okay, okay. Alright, alright. I want to reach out to store owners from Australia. I will create my scouting plan and we are going to proceed further. So just thinking about it and be doing it. This one wey dey shake like this. Okay, okay. Alright. So this is it. I can write another one that will be different entirely with it. Okay. I can write another one like this, which that will be different entirely, that will not even go anywhere or anyway this one is going. Okay. Alright. That's what it is. You need to like develop yourself to be doing all these kind of things. Just every day you are carrying your own flag. Just be right. So by the time Nigeria wake up, just write it down. Fantastic. Wow. Now this one na another idea. Trust me, I will still go and use this one to start, and I will give you gaskiya ne. Ina zo shi. Now you now want to like edit it. Just go to your ChatGPT, tell am say help me edit grammatical error that is in this. And if you trust yourself or feel like you can use it this way, you can just check some errors and edit am and go. Okay. Make una dey answer o. Now you just tell am say e should help you edit any grammatical error from the con ten t. You dey sleep ba? I go show you dis thing, you dey sleep. Okay. Alright. So dis is it. ChatGPT don edit e don edit am for us. Now you wey be say you dey use Scouttia, is another opportunity for you to send personalized message wey be say on Scouttia if you don edit the name like this one you change am to name, Scouttia will automatically fill the name. And trust me, personalized message of ten go to inbox because you send it to that person, you don send generic message. Email will not flag it as spam because when you are sending it you mention the person name, but you don get time that you be copy and paste and be changing name. So Scouttia can help you do that. Once you do it like this and put your con ten t on Scouttia, it will automatically add the person name from the Gmail you are scouting. So if majority of us are noticing that now. Okay. Alright. So that way it's still more personalized, and this thing no matter how the store owner is, if he sees this he will be open to hear your recommendation, and that is just it. Very simple to what, to get response from store owner who are open to us to lis ten to your recommendation. Fantastico. Wow. Now I have done this. I will now plan ahead that okay if a buyer reply with yes, if a buyer reply with yes, I will be interested. Okay. What are you sending next? Okay, okay. Alright, alright. Gaskiya ne, ina zuwan shi. Now I create a scouting plan and I create the next response. In case if the buyer tell me say I dey interested in what you want to share, so what am I sharing next? Okay, this is not a must to create it from your head. Person can get headache. You can use ChatGPT. The only thing you just need to know is that this thing I'm using is like a prompt. I have name, I create name for my strategy, which is website and development. This is all about website design, favicon, front page, anything that we need to do in the store. I mentioned it. Now, the second thing is website marketing power, which means the marketing strategy that you want to be using to reach out to what? To the store owner, to customer for your client. Okay, okay. It's not an abbreviation. Whereby later you can now decide maybe na Facebook marketing you wan do, abi na email marketing you wan do for that buyer. Okay, okay. Alright, alright. Now, next thing I need to do is to just tell ChatGPT to help me to what? Optimize it. You must let you know that I just created it and that is my optimize it and improve it and explain it much more better, but keep my call to action. You know, I always say this, that call to action is very, very important in whatever you are doing. You need to understand call to action and try to keep what you want, because if you know what your call to action is, you'll be able to like have power on that conversation. You'll be able to control your conversation with your client, because you are the one that tell him, that ask him something. You should know what his response will be. Okay, okay. Alright, alright. Now you that ask buyer pe, do you ship worldwide or locally? What do you expect? Either worldwide or locally. And trust me, once you say locally, you already have a response for it. Once you say globally, you already have a response for it. That is one thing about scouting. You need to understand, when you are scouting, have the next plan. Okay, okay. And this is how you create it. Now you already say it like this, you give it ChatGPT and edit it. Once ChatGPT help you to edit it and improve it, now this is what ChatGPT have to say. Thank you for getting back to me. I should have shared your reply after taking a closer look at the store and notice e still edit any grammatical error that is there and optimize it better. Now website end development. Website end development covers everything that has been built and optimized within your Shopify store. It determines how well your Shopify store is prepared to compete in today's highly competitive online marketplace. Now that includes storefront design and user experience. You see, we are already selling website design there. Okay, okay. But strategically, tactically, fantastical. Now product presentation and how convincing your product page are, branding trust and building element. This one is optimize responsive design. Check out page product page optimization, check out page optimization. This is what is there, but what you just have to change the idea to be personalized enough to convince more buyer. Okay. Now branding and trust building element that helps visitor feel confident buying from you, which is trusted badge integration. Okay. Mobile responsive and overall shopping experience, website speed and performance, on-page SEO and off-page SEO will determine how well your store appear on search engine when customers search for your products like yours. A well-developed store build trust, improve customer experience, increase conversion rate and create a stronger foundation for long-term growth. Okay. Alright. Now website marketing power. Website marketing power focuses on how effective your store attracts po ten tial customers. Having a great store alone is not enough if the right audience is not finding it. WMP evaluate the marketing channel you are using to drive targeted traffic to your store and how efficiently those channels convert visitor into a paying customers. Okay. Now this includes search engine visibility, marketing strategy. You see, you now be the one to what, to know what marketing strategy you are offering. Now this is a lot of service, but introduce in just two phase without having a long talk. Okay. Alright. Now the stronger marketing power, the more qualified visitor you will see. This is the call to action. Based on what I observe, these are the two key areas where your store has greatest opportunity for improvement. This is not a random suggestion, it's based on my review of your store's current structure, feasibility and overall performance. I would love to share the complete audit with you, explain exactly what I found and show you how implementing these two strategies can improve your store feasibility, customer experience and sales performance. Would you love me to share with you the full details? Okay. What do you expect the buyer to say? Yes, please proceed. Because what you send give am sef, you will not really understand. You just have clue. Okay. Alright. Now what next? This place now ChatGPT can take over. You don't need to like, you already know what are your in ten tion, what is your goal, what are you trying to achieve. So you can tell him now, which is the full details about all what each phase contain, e.g. you now come back to your plan, carry this one put am here, the second one too. Now this third one, this marketing strategy, you now say leave space here, I have my marketing strategy that I will put there. Okay. Now and then create a benefit for improving call to action should be, what do you think? Is this align with your thoughts and can we proceed further? Can I share with you the working timeline? Now the last thing, and also I will want you to help me to put a convincing message to the end of everything before call to action, which shows and teach and explain further that this can help the store to revive more sales and get progress. Then let him know that this is not just a random suggestion but an audit based on his store current situations and condition. Okay, okay, alright, alright. Now you send it. Once you send it, ChatGPT will help you to take over there. What you now need to do now here is that this one, copy it and come and replace this one. You just, you get now, after the buyer reply next, full details. Okay, okay, alright, alright. Now see the full details here. Website development, e says everything. So you be the one in charge and prompt control ChatGPT and how it work is for you. Now you see ba, this is where the full details come in. Before, you see that it's just some details about everything that we need to do. Now he explain more about the website end development and what it include. Storefront design, your storefront is the impression of customer. It will explain website design more here. And then product presentation, brand trust building, mobile responsiveness, everything will be there and it will explain everything perfectly. Now see the second one, website marketing. E list everything too. And now what we now need to do, since he's already give us this thing here, you be the one to just copy it here or even edit it. Okay, okay, okay. Now you already edited this one. Gaskiya ni o. Now we have two options. Either you use all this definition or you come here to use this definition. Okay, okay, alright, alright. Now this one will be very very okay, like if you use the long one, because it explain everything better and your client feels more comfortable proceeding further, because when they see a lot of full details they will be ready to read it and understand it. At the end of the day they will not understand where they start from. They don't have choice, instead to let you to proceed and do it for them. Okay, okay, because the thing is very very much for them to like grab up. Now I will edit this one. It includes this from here like this. I will remove it like this. You understand ba? I will now come here to copy this. Okay, okay, alright, alright. Same thing as this. You see say I no delete the benefit. Your own fit dey perfect as you want, but it depend on how you are prompting ChatGPT and what you want. Okay, okay. Alright, alright. You must understand what you are doing. If you understand what you are doing, that way you be understand what you want. If you understand what you are doing, you will understand what you want from ChatGPT. Okay, okay. Alright, alright. Now here we have the second plan and then the benefit. So these two area work together. A professionally optimized store without effective marketing will struggle. Now based on my audit, these are the primary opportunities. Now what do you think? Does this align with your thoughts? Can we proceed further? May I share with you with my working timeline? Simple. That why I no even go talk long. You go see say majority of them we no even read it due to say they know say this one don carry audit come o. He don audit even my store. Okay, okay.